College, Joanna speaking.
Hi, Joanna. How's it going today?
Caleb, are you ringing me again?
Yes, I'm here. I got this big mum. Hang on.
You what?
Hang on, I got this big mum.
darling?
I got this big mum.
Hello?
How are you going?
Okay, Caleb's insisted on calling you now, I'm sorry. About him doing the car
Road ready.
road ready
This year.
at school this
This
year.
year, yes.
Okay. And you know what, we can talk to Beck about that.
Alright,
And Irina about that. Actually, while I have you on the phone,
yes,
Leanne, we're going to do a scan for Caleb on the 2nd of May.
okay,
There's going to be a scan meeting and we'd love you to attend.
yes.
How's that like needles?
I'll just give you the time. Have you got an email that I can email that to?
Yeah, sure. Leanne.browning
At iCloud.com.
at iCloud.com.
Okay.
Leanne.browning.
At iCloud.com.
iCloud.com.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll it's the 2nd of May, and I'm pretty sure it was 11:30 to 12:30.
Okay.
And team in that day, and we'll see how we go.
Okay.
All that sort of stuff with. You've done scans before, haven't you?
No.
Yes, we have to scan probably.
Are you talking about doctor scans or?
No, so scan meeting is it's a student-centred appraisal of needs meeting.
Right.
So people from the department come in and look at Caleb, and then
His
they
abilities.
look at all of his needs.
Yes.
And then he's allotted points, and those points will mean how much funding in terms of support is allotted to Caleb.
Right. Great.
Yeah, so I'll talk you through it as it gets closer to the day.
Yes.
But if you can put in your
No.
date, 2nd of May, 11:30 to 12:30,
Yes.
then that'd be great. But I'll
Okay.
send you an email.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much about that.
Fantastic, that'd be great. Thanks so much, Lynn, and I'll see Caleb tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye.
Marina.
Well, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.
There you go.
I'll
It's
go.
not a doctor's one. It's just a meeting of how much money they give the school to help you learn so that you can get your learning license and stuff. All right?
Whoa, I'm so excited!
So